right, here are the seed catalogs that we use primarily, Johnny's and High Mowing. Why we choose these over other brands, I guess, or other markets is because they're consistent. They offer things that we need, like organic seeds. They offer the quantities that we need. Because a lot of these other kind of gardening supply stores, you can't really order thousands of seeds at once. And we need that for certain varieties. Johnny's is exceptional for growing information, all types of things. You can find all this stuff online too. They have a really great website, but I mean, it's beautiful catalog, you know, so much information about all the new varieties. Same kind of deal with High Mowing. High Mowing only sells organic seeds, so we actually get tons of stuff from them. They do a really good job too with giving you a lot of information. Johnny's probably a little bit better with the growing information, but High Mowing's definitely catching up. So very good stuff. Once again, High Mowing, we love their seeds. Really great taste. Johnny's too, but I think
Majority of our seeds are
majority of our
probably high
seeds are from
mowing.
High Mowing. So we're going to talk a little bit about seed packets too. So we have a couple of different examples of seed packets, and we'll zoom in as best we can. So here's an example of High Mowing. Some really important stuff. They give you the germ rate here, 92. So it says 92%, and it kind of gives you the date of that. So that was actually in October of 2020. So this is an old packet, it's empty. But this is something that not everyone else does. They don't really give the germ rates. Mostly they don't. But that's why we really like High Mowing too, because it gives you a consistent idea of like, okay, if I buy a lot of seeds, am I going to be able to meet my production capacity and not be guessing? So, I have a 92% chance that I'm going to get all the seeds that I want.
Johnny's also has a lot of great growing information on the backs of their seed packets. This is very useful when we're out in the greenhouse because maybe we don't have access to our phones or a computer or even the catalog, and everything is on the back.
Yeah, Johnny's does a really good job. Okay, so there you have it. That was the seed ordering video and the process that Ann and I go through for the farm at Catawissa Creek. You can use those same principles using any kind of seed catalog or seed supplier. We obviously like High Mowing and Johnny's. Those are just two examples, but the principles should hold true. Just make sure that they can meet your expectations for how many seeds you need to order to keep your customers happy and to provide a good quality for your season, and whatever you value, make sure that that seed supplier values too. Like we alluded to in the video, we prioritize taste, we prioritize germination consistency, things like that. So be sure to take all those things into consideration when you're selecting your seeds.
If you like this video and are looking for more information on helping your direct market farm or homestead, check out some of our other videos.